Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Of course, here's an example of how a conversation between a grandfather and his grandson might go about guidance and advice. Grandfather, while sitting with his grandson, my grandson, how do you spend your day at school these days?
Grandson, I have a fun day, Grandpa. But sometimes I worry about my future and the decisions I have to make.
Grandfather, that's completely normal, grandson. At this age, many people worry about their future. But let me tell you something, don't hesitate to pursue your dreams and interests. Be committed to hard work and continuous learning, and you will find yourself achieving success.
Grandson, thanks, Grandpa, that's very encouraging. But did you have other tips you'd like to share with me?
Grandfather, of course, grandson. Here are some other tips that might be helpful. 1. Respect others and treat them with kindness and respect. 2. Learn from your mistakes and do not be afraid to fail. Failure is part of success. 3. Make time for family and friends. Strong relationships enhance your happiness. 4. Take good care of your health and maintain a healthy lifestyle. 5. Be open to learning new things and take advantage of opportunities that come your way.
Grandson, thank you, Grandpa. I will keep these tips in my heart and work hard to apply them in my life.
Grandfather, I'm proud of you, grandson. You're a smart, strong young man, and I think you have a wonderful future ahead of you. Always here to support you and share a little extra wisdom if you need it. This example reflects how guidance and advice are exchanged between generations and the strong relationship between grandfather and grandson is strengthened.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.